Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. Okay, here you will see I have created a table. Here you will see weekday, start time, end time, and total work hour. Okay, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now I want to calculate the work hour here. Okay, so to calculate work hour, what you have to do first, you have to just select all the cells where you want to type start time and end time. Okay, now I want to enter start time and time in this cell. Okay, then you have to just go to format. Okay, format cells, and here you will see time option. Just click on time and select whichever you want. Okay, I want to select this one. Okay, just now click on OK. Then here if I enter the time, okay, here you will see I will enter time of. Okay, so here you will see it is in AM. Okay, if I want to enter time here like this, here you will see it is in PM. Oh, sorry, not 12, so it's 16. Okay. 1 minute, there should be 16. Okay, okay, so like this you will see. Now I want to calculate the total work hour. Okay, so how to calculate this? Here you have to just click on it, then you have to select all the cell. Now again go to format, go to format cell, click on time, and now select, I want to select this one. Okay, just click on OK. Now equals to end time minus start time. I will see it is 8 hour. Okay, so like this you can calculate our works in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.